Good morning, I am SUSHIL KUMAR from Computer Science and Engineering Department, Thapa University is going to present my dissertation topic based on detection of fake accounts in social networks. What social networks are actually? Social networks are the basic platform for person who wants to exchange their views over a network. It is a basic need in today's world to share information or to get latest news about the world. Some primary characteristics of social network is like low entry barrier. We have to pay less for this, huge number of friends, and it's an open platform that anyone can access this. As anyone can access this and having more information on this network, the attackers are attracted towards it. They attack the network, they hijack the information from the network and use it for illegal activities. To detect these attackers or fraudsters, we have certain anomaly detection techniques. Anomaly detection is a technique for detecting the unexpected changes which is created by a fraudster over a network by monitoring the network. Now, how to detect these anomalies in a network? We have different types of anomalies like we have phishing attacks, spams and malware. Malware attack can be stopped by using CAPTCHA, which is given by Von Ahern. He gave a phenomenal technique to detect malwares or to stop malwares by introducing the concept of CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA is an image having certain digits on it. So only humans can read that digits and can go further on. Later on we have some greedy and TR-walk algos. Greedy which is based on greedy set expansion and TR-walk based on random graph traversal to detect this attack. They formulate a class of attacks and termed it as random link attack, that is RLA, and explored it as an NP-complete problem. Anomalies are of various types, like we have static unlabeled anomaly, which is where a node behavior in the network shows some unusual behavior, that is some suspicious kind of activities are going in the network. Then only the communication occurred between the nodes is considered, not the labels of the entities and their relationships. And in static labeled anomalies, we consider the labels true. One researcher has proposed a technique like which is called as LSI, Leadership Strength Index, in which he proposed that we have to focus on the leaders in the community to detect the behavior of the network. In dynamic unlabeled anomalies, where the network changes with respect to time, hypergraphs are used to handle email datasets as they show much better results than the simple graphs. 10 graph distance metrics, which are used to create the time series of changes being held in the network by sequentially comparing graphs from adjacent time slots. Now, what our problem statement is, as we have gone through certain research papers and discovered that there is not a single generalized scheme or technique which can detect anomalies in any kind of graph. As we go on research, we have find that in social network websites, we have certain fraudsters which enter in the network and behave like a normal user. While behaving normal user, they send spams, phishing attacks to other users. To stop all these things, we have to find out a solution so that the attacker can be detected as early as possible. We have given a solution for this, that is, we will take an adjacency matrix which have the record of the nodes present in the network and a log record of friend requests sent by every node. Then we evaluate the strength of the node and compute the trust. Trust is based on the friend requests sent by the user and those friend requests which are accepted by other nodes sent by the user. If the value of the trust score comes equals or greater than 0.5, then it means it's not a fake account. After getting this value, we will compare the strength of the node. If it is less than half of the nodes, then it's moderate, and if it is greater than, then it's fully genuine account. What happens in moderate account? We will label this account as a moderate, and the user have to check whether he knows this user or not. Now the implementation. The figure on the screen is showing a network of a profile from Facebook dataset. The bigger circle detects that they have higher degree than others. We have implemented our algorithm in NetBeans using Java, in which we input two kinds of matrix. First one is adjacency matrix, which contains the information about the network, and other one is request record, in which friend request sent by the user by every node in the network is considered. Now, after inputting these two types of material, to calculate the trust score, we click on the button trust score and we will get the results based on their request records. To get the class labels for each ID, we click on the fake ID button. After clicking this button, we will get a classification of every node. Whatever node has strength and trust value less than the required is considered as a fake account. After proposing this algorithm, we are able to detect the fraudsters earlier in the network. The basic two attributes, that is trust score and strength, is considered for detecting these fraudulent nodes. And in future we can add some more attributes, keeping in mind that the complexity of finding these fraudulent nodes will not increase. Thanks, and any comments on this algorithm, please comment below. Thank you.